Your brain is not broken. It's simply following the path of least resistance, chasing whatever gives it the fastest hit of dopamine. And right now, thousands of people are reprogramming that system with nothing more than a single piece of paper. They call it the dopamine menu. And if you do it right, it can change the way you focus in just one day. You know that moment when you open your phone just to check one thing, and suddenly half an hour is gone? That's dopamine at work, pulling you into the easiest, most stimulating activity available. The dopamine menu flips this system upside down. Here's the promise. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how the dopamine menu works, why it's blowing up online, and the neuroscience behind why it can actually reset your focus. Without quitting technology or locking yourself in a cabin, the idea is simple. Instead of letting your brain chase random hits of dopamine, you choose your own. You make a list, the menu, of activities that give you different levels of stimulation. From quick, low dopamine actions like drinking water or stretching, to high dopamine but still healthy activities like learning a new skill or exercising. Here's why it works. Dopamine isn't just the pleasure chemical. It's the motivation chemical. Your brain is constantly scanning for the next reward. When you write down and choose from a menu, you hijack this process, replacing cheap, instant rewards like scrolling with intentional ones that still light up your brain, but actually move your life forward. Here's how to create yours. Step 1. List 5 to 7 activities for each category: low, medium, and high. Step 2. Keep it visible on your desk, fridge, or phone wallpaper. Step 3. Every time you feel the urge to do something mindless, pick from the menu instead. Bonus tip: refresh the menu every Sunday so your brain stays curious. The crazy part? Over time, your brain starts craving the things on your menu automatically. That means you can literally train yourself to get small dopamine hits from habits you actually want, like reading, walking, or creating. Instead of fighting dopamine, you're using it. You stop feeling guilty about distractions and start feeling in control, because your brain is still getting what it wants, but in ways that make your life better. If you want to take this even further, my next video will show you how to do a 3-day dopamine reset that makes your brain immune to distractions. Subscribe so you don't miss it, and tell me in the comments, what's one thing you'd put on your dopamine menu?